Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cocktail perfume. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients. This includes a high-proof, neutral alcohol, such as perfumer's alcohol or pure grain alcohol, and a selection of essential oils or fragrance oils. Make sure your mixing tools and bottles are thoroughly cleaned and sterilized to prevent contamination. This preparation is crucial for a successful and long-lasting fragrance. Now, let's talk about blending. Begin by selecting your fragrance notes. You'll want a mix of top, middle, and base notes to create a complex and lasting scent. Start with your base notes, then add middle, and finally top notes, one drop at a time. It's vital to keep a detailed record of your ratios. This allows you to replicate your favorite blends or make precise adjustments for future batches. Once your fragrance blend is complete, it's time for dilution. Gradually add your high-proof alcohol to the concentrated oil blend. For an eau de parfum, a common concentration is between 15 and 20% fragrance oil. After dilution, the perfume needs to mature. Store it in a cool, dark place for 2 to 4 weeks. This allows the notes to meld and deepen, creating a richer, more harmonious scent. Finally, after maturation, filter your perfume through a coffee filter or specialized filter paper to remove any sediment. Then, carefully transfer your exquisite cocktail perfume into clean, airtight spray bottles. Store your finished perfume away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures to preserve its quality. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.